The allure of Pogostemon Helferi, a planter's guide. There's a certain magic to transforming an aquarium into a thriving underwater world. And for me, that magic lies partly in the meticulous selection and care of aquatic plants. Among the many captivating species, Pogostemon Helferi holds a special place in my heart. With its compact form, vibrant green hue, and unique curly leaves, it adds an undeniable charm to any aquascape. However, Pogostemon Helferi, also known as Downoi in Thailand, belong to the Lamiaceae family, can be a bit particular when it comes to its needs. Over the years, I've learned its intricacies, and I'm here to share my experience with fellow aquascapers. Understanding the Downoi's light requirements. Pogostemon Helferi thrives under moderate to high lighting. Aim for at least 12 hours of light per day, ideally with a mix of cool white and daylight bulbs to mimic natural sunlight. Insufficient light will lead to leggy growth and pale leaves, hindering the plant's signature bushy appearance. Conversely, excessively strong lighting can encourage algae growth. Experiment and observe your tank to find the sweet spot. Does Pogostemon Helferi need CO2 injection? While Pogostemon Helferi can survive without CO2 injection, supplementation definitely enhances its growth and overall health. CO2 promotes photosynthesis, leading to denser foliage and a richer green color. If you're aiming for a lush, vibrant Downoi carpet, consider investing in a CO2 injection system. How to plant Pogostemon Helferi. Planting Pogostemon Helferi is a straightforward process, but attention to detail goes a long way. Here's my approach. Substrate: opt for a nutrient-rich substrate like aquasoil. Downoi benefits from readily available nutrients for optimal growth. Preparation: separate the plant into individual stems or small clumps. Trim any damaged or decaying leaves. Planting technique: using tweezers, create small holes in the substrate and carefully insert the stems, ensuring good root-to-substrate contact. Space the stems about 2 to 3 inches apart to allow for lateral growth. Patience is key, nurturing your Downoi. Pogostemon Helferi is a moderately slow grower. Don't be discouraged if it doesn't form a dense carpet overnight. Consistent water changes, regular fertilization, and proper trimming will encourage healthy growth. How to shrink Pogostemon Helferi. The beauty of Downoi lies in its ability to be tailored to your aquascape vision. If your plant gets too tall and disrupts the desired layout, here are some trimming techniques. Trimming the stem: simply snip the desired length off the top of the stem. This encourages bushier growth below the cut point. Pinching off new growth tends to be bushier and more compact. Pinch off the top leaves to promote lateral branching. Propagation: expanding your Downoi forest. Pogostemon Helferi propagates easily through stem cuttings. Here's how. Select a healthy stem: choose a healthy stem with several nodes, leaf junctions. Cut and plant: cut the stem just below a node. Remove the lower leaves and plant the stem horizontally in the substrate. New growth will sprout from the nodes. Choosing the perfect tank mates for your Downoi. Pogostemon Helferi plays well with a variety of peaceful fish species. Here are some compatible options. Neon tetras, celestial danios, harlequin rasboras, shrimp. Avoid aggressive fish that might nibble on the delicate leaves. Conclusion: the reward of a flourishing Downoi. Pogostemon Helferi, with its unique charm and adaptability, has become a staple in my aquascapes. By understanding its needs and providing proper care, you can cultivate a thriving Downoi forest that adds depth, texture, and undeniable beauty to your underwater world. Remember, patience and a touch of TLC are all it takes for this little plant to transform your aquarium into a breathtaking underwater paradise.